me again. Now, you probably think of cottage pie as a layer of mashed potato on top of some minced beef. But what if I showed you a version that was made with duck? So I've got a couple of duck legs. Not me personally, that would be ridiculous. What I'm trying to say is, here are 2 duck legs in a pan. I'm going to pop them into the oven at 150 degrees C for an hour and a half to cook slowly. When the duck is cooked, remove from the oven. Steam! Pop the duck legs on a plate and leave to cool. Whatever you do, don't throw the fat away. Peel and chop 400 grams of potato, pop them in a pan of water and bring to the boil. Boil for about 15 minutes until tender, then drain. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk and mash. When the duck is cooled, you can remove the skin. You don't need this. Lisa, have thoughts. Would you like some duck skin? Not your good puppies. Very good puppies. Good pups. And then remove the meat from the bone. Once all the meat's off the bone, just shred it with a fork. Shredded duck. Heat a tablespoon of duck fat in the pan. Add in 3 shallots finely chopped, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and lots of ground black pepper. I did say lots, and I meant lots. Lots and lots and lots. And even more. Lots. Okay, that's enough. Once the shallots start to take on colour, add in the duck, add a teaspoon of dried parsley and 1/3 cup of water or chicken stock. Mix well and bring to the boil. When it comes to the boil, turn off the heat. Now I like to serve this as individual servings, so spoon the duck meat out. Don't forget to spread the juice between the two as well. Now we can plop on some potato. Nice! Sprinkle on some cheese of your choice. I recommend a hard cheese like Cheddar or Comté or red Leicester, whatever you want really. Give them one final blast of pepper, then bake at 190 degrees C fan for about 25 minutes. Behold! Duck cottage pie, served with steamed veg. This is an occasional special Sunday night supper for us, and everybody in the house loves it, including the dogs, because they get the duck skin. Happy dogs equals happy house. This is our happy house. We're happy here in our happy house. Comté!